my email ID, that is ovik.mitro@kptech.com. You can send me a mail with your ARN number, email ID and phone number.
আমি যেভাবে দিলাম সেভাবে হয় কি?
হ্যাঁ, ওইভাবে ঠিক আছে। ব্যাস এখানে এটাই ঠিক আছে। এর সঙ্গে কন্ট্যাক্ট নাম্বারটা দিয়ে দিন।
আচ্ছা,
ভাই তো এআরএন নাম্বার, লোকেশন আর কন্ট্যাক্ট নাম্বার, তাহলে এক্সেলটাও হয়ে যাবে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
সাপোর্টটা দিতে পারবে না আপনাকে। আর দিস ইজ কমপ্লিটলি ফ্রি অফ কস্ট, ফ্রি অফ সার্ভিস, নো নিড অফ এনি চার্জেস ফর দিস। So we can start 7, another 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. We can wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah. Because many people are joining.
Yes, I can see that many people are joining.
Yes.
Is it okay, Gautam? Said I've already.
Session is 1 hour. Anup Mukherjee is asking. Session is 1 hour, up to 8.
1 hour? Yeah, max
Up to 8. 8. Depend on 5-10 minutes also we can consider, but session is 1 hour. পৃথ্বীরাজ দা, হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
হ্যাঁ, বলছি আমরা কিন্তু রোটারি ক্লাবটা 122 জন চার্টার মেম্বার দিয়ে স্টার্ট করেছি, 122, and most of the people are doctors.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
And our vice president, Dr. Shamal Kumar Das, researcher of homeopath, real homeopath, and he is a COVID warrior also. He's a nice gentleman. I will be I want to a program with him also, how to pass this time COVID situation, when second wave is running. Here already he services completely free of cost. Fantastic. Across the country, all people are joining. Sanjeev Shah, please write your ARN number and contact number. Just we are 2 minutes more. We start just 7, sharp 7.
Yes, sir.
Please unmute Galaxy C9 Pro. Name.
And I would like to request all the participants to mute yourself while the session is going on.
Good evening, Babu.
Oh, Gopal da.
Yes. It's a Virat good initiative. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Exactly. We remember it that when started 2020, when the lockdown started, I also started the Zoom meeting first time in India, and more than 100 programs across the country. After that, every people are doing that. So second
always
session.
Always we are with you.
Always. Our second wave is just start on, and that time also we are start on with second wave also, and we need initially now it is confirmed that we are not in physical mode. We are completely digital mode.
এই সাবজেক্টটা খুব সময়োপযোগী সাবজেক্ট, খুব ফার্স্ট ক্লাস সাবজেক্ট চুজ হয়েছে।
এক্স্যাক্টলি, এটা রুজি রোজগার রুজি রোজগারের ব্যাপার আছে। If you are want to earn with mutual fund industry, you need to know it's mandatory for everyone.
অভিজ্ঞতা কেমন আছেন?
স্যার আপনি কেমন আছেন?
হ্যাঁ ভালো আছেন, শুভেচ্ছা রইল আপনার তরফ থেকে। শুরু হচ্ছে, ভালো লাগলো এবং খুব ভালো একটা ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়েছেন।
Next we also with camps and NSC BSc also. NSC Ishita today also joined. She told me that I can join. Yes, you can join, but today's program is only for FinCat. You obviously you can do another day. So we can do NSC, BSc, MFA utility according to.
গৌতম দা,
Yes.
পারলে বলুন সবাইকে নোট ডাউন করতে, যে ইনফরমেশন দেবে একটু নোট ডাউন করে রাখতে পারলে ভালো হয় সবাই। খাতাটা নিয়ে
exactly note down. Everybody note down, and I am.
Sir, you can note down, but I can also share the PDF. I have
everything,
a PDF guideline for you.
and I am. This is a recorded also program. I can, if anyone want to, I can share also.
এটা
You
শেয়ার
can
হবে।
also repeat this program.
Exactly.
You can also repeat if go to the
And this program, yeah, we can do another week also. Second time.
Right.
Second time, third time, whatever we need. Obigda is always with us.
Yeah, absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Shall we start?
Please start. Good evening, everyone. This is your second wave session, and we can now we are going to start the most vital in this pandemic situation. And KinFinCat app, mobile app, is most distributor friend, and it's completely free of cost, and everyone can use for their business. So I request Mr. Ovik Mitra from KinFinCat. So please start, Mr. Ovik Mitra.
Thank you, Gautam. Thank you, everyone, for joining in this session. My name is Ovik Mitra. I'm from KFin Technologies Private Limited, and on behalf of KFin Technologies Private Limited, I'm taking care of distributor support. So today we'll mainly focus on our mobile app, KFinCat for Distributor. I hope most of you are already using my mobile app, our mobile app. So this is a quick brush up for you. Lot of updation is there. So let me go through our mobile app step by step. Before that, I would request all of you to please mute yourself so that the conversation is smooth.
Obigda, we in our we can see Mr. Professor Arup Chaudhary is there, and eminent charter accountant with Pankaj Kedia also is here. You know both of them.
Right,
Whenever you take a break, they will 1 minute, 2 minutes, they will say something.
Okay, no issues.
Yes,
So
just yes.
So let's start off.
Yes.
I'm sharing my screen
Yes.
so that you can see my mobile screen. So hope all of you can see my mobile screen. So let me log into the mobile app KFinCat for Distributor. I hope all of you can see my mobile screen.
Yes.
So this is the KFinCat for Distributor mobile home screen. That is the login screen. So you have to use the same user ID and password which you are using for the mailback service. If you do not have any user ID and password, if you are new to the industry, or by chance, if you do not have any user ID and password, please create a one. But there is a small request. Don't use to create it from the mobile app. Please use our portal. That is mfs.kfintech.com. I think you can see my screen. Go to mfs.kfintech.com, go to services, then click on the distributor services and click on the sign up, the sign up button. Click on the sign up button. There are 4 fields you have to fill up. One is ARN code, PAN number, email ID, mobile number. Click on I agree to terms and conditions. Click on validate and system will give you an option to create your own user ID and password. It is so simple like that. Now, suppose you already have a user ID and password but forgot them. Not to worry, just go to services, distributor services, and
Sound is someone writing sound is not clear.
so I would like to request all of you to please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. And if you want to say anything by any chance, so unmute
please.
yourself and speak.
And write also. You can chat box. Please write in chat box.
No issue, no issue. So, Gopinda, am I clear? Am I audible?
Audible?
Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear my voice properly? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so,
Card sound is.
one second. Just give me.
Background sound is coming.
Yeah, I think now it is okay. I think now it is clear. If you already have a user ID and password but forgot it, just go to this forgot user ID option. Click on the forgot user ID option. System will ask to provide you a ARN code and email ID. Provide the ARN code and email ID. Click on the submit, and a auto trigger mail will be triggered to your registered email ID with the user ID. So as soon as you get the user ID, just click on this forgot password option. Just click on this services, distributor services, then forgot password. System will ask for the user ID. We have already triggered the user ID through forgot user ID option. Email ID, you know the email ID, generate OTP. An OTP will be triggered to your registered email ID. Put the OTP and system will give you an option to reset the password. Now, when you have already the user ID and password, then you can log into our mobile app as well as our portal with the same set of user ID and password. Okay. Now let's log into our mobile app. This is your mobile app home screen, login screen. Just I am putting my demo user ID and password.
Obigda, please you also follow up the chat box also, please.
Okay. So I think all of you can see my mobile screen that I have already shared. This is your home screen. After login to your mobile app through the user ID and password, this is the home screen. So what is in the home screen? Home screen, your total AUM will be there, number of investors will be there, and number of scheme in which you are already invested is already there. That is AUM investor screen. Without this, there have 3 more tabs. As you can see, authorization expire, authorization approve, and authorization pending. Now, what are these? Suppose you have initiated a transaction on behalf of your investor receive a link and approve it. Then it's go to authorization approve. Suppose you have initiated a transaction, it goes to your investor, but your investor didn't approve it. I I would like to request you to please mute yourself. I think somebody has unmuted himself or herself. So you have initiated. So you have initiated a transaction as a distributor. Your investor has received a link, but he is yet to approve. So it will come to the authorization pending model. Okay.
অভিজ্ঞতা আমি জাস্ট মিউট অল করে দিচ্ছি, আপনি একবার ইয়ে করে নেবেন।
আমি করে দিচ্ছি, আপনি করুন।
হ্যাঁ, করে দিয়েছি মিউট।
Okay. Now you have initiated a transaction, but your investor is yet to approve it. So it will lies in the authorization pending model. And suppose you have initiated a transaction and your investor didn't approve it, and 24 hours has already been expired. So it will go to the authorization expire mode. So these are the three modules available over here, that after initiating a transaction, you will have a clear view that your investor has already approved it or at all didn't approve the transaction or already approved. And second tab, if you can see, the My AUM. What is My AUM? Click on the My AUM. A graphical representation will be there. That is the asset classified breakup, as you can see in the mobile screen. Debt, equity, and liquidity. That how much fund is invested through you in debt, in equity, and liquid. And if you move the screen, there will be a second tab. If you move the screen like that, there will be a second tab in which you can see that through you, which of the mutual fund serviced by KFintech has already been invested. For example, here the distributor has invested in Axis AMC, BNP, BOI, and Mirae. So all will be in your fingertips. Just open your mobile and have the information. Okay. So this is My AUM, and other than this, this is the transaction summary. In the transaction summary, if I can scroll down, I can have a SIP summary module also. That what are the SIP that going to expire next month, what are the SIP that already been closed, and what are the SIP investment under me. Under me means under the distributor. There is a close with SIP, there's a client with SIP module and client without SIP module. So as I am giving the demo through the demo ID, so data is nil. So if you can use your mobile, that your mobile application, you will find the data. So this is your home screen. So if you can look into my screen, computer screen carefully, this is the dashboard. You can see the dashboard. The second option, if you can look downward for my mobile screen, second option is investor, third option is transaction, fourth option earning, and last option is menu. So just we'll move step by step. Second option is investor. So I'm clicking on the investor option. So the name of investor will reflect in your screen, the name of the investor. You can also search the investor by 5 options. System will provide you 5 options, that is PAN, folio, mobile, email. Sorry, the name, PAN, folio, mobile, and email. These are the 5 options through which you can search your investor. So suppose you have searched your investor by name. Just I'm clicking on the investor name. Click on the investor name. A brief description will appear. Suppose for this particular investor, MB Ramakrishna, PAN will be appear, mobile number, email ID will be appear, as on date is appearing, total AUM will be appearing, overall appreciation or depreciation on today's appreciation as on. And the graphical representation will be also there, that how much is invested in debt for this particular investor and how much is equity. along with the graphical representation, you have a textual representation also, that date, cost value, current value, appreciation or depreciation. For equity, cost value, current value, appreciation or depreciation. Now, if I move forward, if I want to see more, suppose I want to see in equity, what are the mutual funds that the investor already have an investment. So I can click on the equity, a new window will appear. Here I can see that the investor in equity only investment in Axis Mutual Fund. If I want to see more, I have to click on the show scheme under this aims. I can see the number of schemes under Axis Mutual Fund. So I'm clicking on the show schemes. There are only one schemes appearing here: cost value, current value, appreciation or depreciation. If I want to see more detail, that folio numbers under this particular scheme, I have to click on this, click here for more detail about this scheme. So I have to click on this, click here for more detail. So I will get more detail. Folio number, I will get the folio number, the plan, which is either it will be growth or payout, current NAV, current unit available. Now, if you can look carefully, if you can look very carefully to my mobile screen, you can see some icons. This icons is purchase for this particular folio. This icon is redemption. This is switch, and this icon is generation of statement of account. I think Mr. Anup Mukherjee is some problem with my conversation. Mr. Mukherjee, can you hear me properly?
Actually, your voice is fine, but sometimes some of the words are getting skipped. I think your mic is bit. If you bring the mic closer.
No. I'm just holding the mic in front of my mouth.
Maybe then. Okay, just carry on.
Okay.
Generally, the voices are very crisp in the Zoom.
Right. So this is the 5 icons. Available. So this is the 5 icons are available. So I used to get, suppose 100 queries in a day. Out of 100 queries, 50 queries pertains to statement of account. Sir, please provide your statement of account. So if you are using our mobile app, KFinCard for Distributor app, you don't have to approach anybody, neither AMC nor KFin Technologies Private Limited. You can generate statement of account from here itself. If you click this particular icon, just I'm clicking the particular icon, just see what happens. It is generating. See, full statement of account with Axis logo is in front of you. Statement of account with full Axis logo. Okay. Now, this statement of account, you can download it into your mobile. You can view the statement of account in close. And if you want to share with your investor over WhatsApp or email, just click on the upper left corner, this send file, click on the send file, and system will provide you the option whether you have to send it over WhatsApp, email, Telegram, whatever, as per your convenience. Okay. So this is a very useful tool that you can generate a statement of account on your fingertip and share with your investor. Now, while viewing the detailed portfolio as it is appearing in your screen, you can do a transaction also. Suppose for this folio 9137330955. No, for multiple broker code, I'm very sorry, multiple broker code system will not fetch the data. Right now it is not there, but we are trying to get it. Okay.
অভিজ্ঞতা ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড সাউন্ড কি আপনারই? পুরো প্রসেশনের আওয়াজ আসছে।
So while viewing the detailed portfolio, so you can do a transaction for this particular folio also. Suppose while viewing the particular portfolio, you can see that there is a balance unit. Suppose there are 22.956 units available in this particular folio, and you want to do a redemption right now. So you have to click on the second option. The second option, just click on the second option. Just click on the second option. Okay. See, investor name is appearing, PAN number is appearing, the name of the AMC, select the name of the AMC, select the folio number, and accordingly you can type the redemption, you can choose the partial or full redemption and do the redemption. It's very easy. Okay, now let's move forward. Now, if I want to do transaction for a particular investor, okay, I have to go to the investor. Sorry. I have to go to the investor. I have to select the investor, and going to the investor detail, I have to click on the initiate investment. Now click on the initiate investment. Now see, system will allow me to do this type of transaction. I can do eNASH, NFO and repurchase, SIP, NFO and additional purchase, redemption, switch, STP, SWP, pause, cancellation, NCT. Often I used to get call from the partners that, sir, I want to do pause cancellation for the particular investor, how to do it? So choose your investor first. Choose your investor first. Suppose I am choosing this Ramakrishna. This window will appear, the investor name with all detail. Initiate investment is there. Click on the initiate investment and you will find all the options you can do for this particular investor. Just go scroll down, pause and cancellation will be there. Click on the pause and cancellation, and if the investor is already having a running SIP, you can do either pause or cancellation. Okay. Now I would like to introduce a very important thing. Now a lot of NFOs are coming on. Now you can trigger a link to your multiple investors. Suppose you have 50 investors in your portfolio. So you can generate a link for a particular NFO and share with your 50 or 100 investors at a time, single time. How to do it? Now, if you can look into my screen carefully, there is a NFO option, NFO. Click on this NFO option. Now, suppose I want to send a link for this Mirai Asset Mutual Fund NFO, for which as a distributor, I have to create the link first. Then I have to share the same with my investor. Now, click on the link. Your ARN code will be fetched. Scheme name, I have to select the scheme name. For example, I have selected Mirai scheme, IRN, subbroker, UIN number, obviously, no. Just click on this here and I have to select this or confirm. I have to click on the confirm button. After clicking on the confirm button, just look into the screen very carefully. Transaction for NFO has been initiated successfully. Link for Mirai Asset such and such scheme has been generated. Now the link has been successfully generated. Click on the continue button. And now if you can see the screen carefully under Miri as the mutual fund, there is the link has already been generated and a share button is appearing. Share. Now I can share with my multiple investors. Click on the share button. Now suppose I am sharing, I am just for demonstration purpose, I am sharing to one of my colleague. Suppose I can share it to my colleague. Suppose I am sharing to my colleague. So my colleague will receive this type of message. The Miri is such and such for NFO preferred link such and such. Now when my colleague will click into this particular link, a new window will appear. Just look into my screen very, very carefully. NFO form will appear. NFO blank form will appear. Now the investor have to put his email ID. Suppose I'm putting my email ID here. I agree. I have to click on my agree. Generate OTP. Now OTP has been sent to my registered email ID. Let me check. What is the email ID? OTP is 190121. Okay, 190121. 190121. Submit. Now investor will receive this NFO form. If you can see my screen carefully, it is NFO form, my email ID, my PAN number, see my name is there, mobile number is there, NFO stream is there. Minimum amount criteria is already mentioned over here. And I have to, as an investor, I have to just put the amount which I want to invest, click on submit, and system will provide me the payment option. It will provide you, now system will provide me that what will be the investor type, select investor type. Suppose I have selected investor type as individual. Suppose mode of holding, I am selecting anyone a survivor. Okay, folio number is yet to install, it will be a new purchase. Okay, distributor code will be fixed, that is the investor cannot change it. Now first joint holder, I have selected anyone a survivor. First holder will be me. Suppose second holder, I am selecting Amit. Okay, date of birth, suppose I have selected a particular date of birth, not an issue, email ID, mobile number, PAN number. Second joint holder detail is there, FATCA detail, I have to create a FATCA detail, bank detail, suppose I have created ICICI Bank, payment mode, and confirm. Means you can send this NFO link to your multiple investor. Investor have to click on the link, fill up all the details and submit, and the investment in NFO will be done. So this is how to send link to your, how to send NFO link, how to create NFO link and send it to your investor. Now, if you want to do a general transaction, if you have to go to this transaction module, if you can see my screen carefully, this is the middle button, it's a transact button. Just click on the transact button. See, two options are there. You can transact for your existing investor or you can transact for your new investor, which is not at all under your code. If you want to transact for your new investor, only a PAN number will appear, PAN number option will appear. See, for existing investor, you can click a investor, click on the name of the investor and can initiate a transaction for this particular investor. But for new investor, no record available. So you have to just put his PAN number. Yes, this is KYC. This is not KYC compliant. You have to do the KYC also. If it is KYC compliant, a blank screen will appear. Now your investor, now you have to fill up your investor detail and click on the submit. Investor will receive a link and you have to approve. Now eKYC, you can do a new KYC through our mobile app, which is very useful. Now let me show you, sir. Let me show you the eKYC module. Back to from the mobile screen, you can see the last option on the bottom screen is menu. So just click on the menu and the list of modules are there. Out of the list of modules, there are eKYC module. eKYC, I think all can see it. Just click on the eKYC. Select an item, eKYC. Now, before going for a eKYC, system will provide you two options: online IPB with eSign and distributor eKYC. Now, if you choose distributor eKYC, there is a clear-cut message appearing in your computer screen. Investor presence required. Means investor should be with you. But considering the current scenario, it is not possible. Maybe your investor is located in Bangalore or Hyderabad or Pune or Mumbai. So for that, you have to choose the first option, online IPB with eSign. Click on the online IPB with eSign and you have to choose the AMC. It's very important. Suppose you want to do a investment for your investor for Nippon Mutual. So you have to choose Nippon Mutual Fund. Just choose the Nippon Mutual Fund. Select the PAN number, name, email ID, mobile number, and click on the submit. There is a small instruction for you. This process will send an email to your client for completing the KYC process. Your client has to upload relevant documents and record video for self by showing the document. Please inform and guide your client accordingly. It is very easy, nothing to worry. I have a ready-made guideline with me, which I will share with you all. Will share with Gautam. The client have to download the e-Aadhaar, the mask Aadhaar from UIDAI site, upload the mask Aadhaar, you have to upload the photograph, PAN card copy, and a video KYC, video IPV is required. It's very simple. Lot of partners are right now are doing this eKYC without any glitch. It's absolutely very simple. So this is the eKYC option. You can do your KYC for your client, but just keep in mind one thing, that only you can do a new KYC. Means the person who doesn't have any KYC at all, you can do a KYC for him or herself. If the person already is having KYC, modification of KYC is not possible from our mobile app or portal. That you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now let's move forward. So eKYC is there. Generation SIP I have already shown you. Now you have initiated a additional purchase or SIP link for your investor. Your investor has received a link and approved. Right now, only two payment options are available. One is net banking and another is UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Right now, I think everybody of you having an account in Paytm or PhonePe, the virtual wallet. In the virtual wallet, you have an option to create a UPI. Also nowadays, bank has also option, this ICICI Bank. I have an account in ICICI Bank and I have an option for creating an UPI in my ICICI net banking. So along with this UPI and net banking, there are third option, KOTM. What is this KOTM? So just I'm going to this dashboard. So suppose I want to create a KOTM for my particular investor. KOTM is nothing but a OTM, but it is not the AMC specific. I repeat, it is not the AMC specific, that it is not only for Nippon or Axis or IDBI or Canara Robeco. It is a PAN-based OTM option. If you can create it, when your investor receive this link and go for a payment, this along with this net banking and UPI, this third option, KOTM option also will happen. Okay. Now, how to do this KOTM? It is very easy. You can do it from our mobile app. If someone is asking in the chat that whether suppose investor has already done the KYC on 10 years back, 10 years, 15 years back, now what to do? So correction has to be done physically. You have to do correction. I think modification nowadays is not there. You have to fill up the new KYC form, CKYC form, and submit to your local ISC or AMC. Whichever. Now I'm go to the KOTM option. KOTM option, we are always requesting the IFAs or the investor to go for a KOTM option. Just go to the investor. Suppose, 1 second. Suppose I'm clicking this investor, initiate investment, and if you can see, there is a eNACH option available. Don't get afraid. This eNACH option is nothing but a KOTM, KFintech OTM mandate, eNACH. Click on the eNACH option. I think it's not working. So I have a demonstration with me for eNACH registration guideline. Okay. So this is the eNACH registration. eNACH, click on the eNACH. I have to, as a distributor, I have to put ARN number, name, email ID, mobile number, click on the submit button. And eNACH participating AMC list is available in your mobile app. Before submitting, you can see what are the AMC. Suppose KFintech is servicing 24 mutual funds across India. Okay. Now, all the AMCs, suppose 2-3 AMCs are not accepting this KOT. Suppose I think Mirai is not accepting KOT. So that you have to keep in mind. Other than that, all the AMCs are accepting KOTM. After KOTM is successfully done, while doing the online transaction, your investor can also have an payment option KOTM along with the net banking and UPI. eKYC. Okay. eKYC will definitely. I have a ready-made guideline. I think without going through this process, I will share this ready-made guideline with you, step-by-step guideline. That after your investor has received the thing, what will their course of action? What they have to do? Very easy. Yes, I know. UTI and Mirai is not accepting KOTM. This is AMC. This is AMC part. We can't do nothing. We can't do nothing from it. Just want to show you something. This is the KOTM. This is the eNACH screen. PAN number, investor name, email ID, mobile number. And if you can click this eNACH participating ANC, if you click on the eNACH participating ANC, you have the list of AMCs available over here. Axis, Abevaxa, Canara Robeco, SL, IDBI, Invesco, ITI, LIC, Motilal, Nippon, GIM, Quantum, Sundaram. All these AMCs are accepting KOTM. So while doing transaction for this particular AMC, your investor can use KOTM as a payment option. So this is the thing. While after filling up all the detail, while clicking the submit, a reference number will appear, and your investor will receive an email. This particular type of email that your eNACH registration has been completed. Registration type eNACH OTM one-time mandate. So click on the link. There will be a link available. There will be a link available. Proceed type of link. Click on the proceed. The investor will open this type of window with name, contact number, email ID, name of the bank, IFSC code. Investors have to view all these things. Maximum amount is 10 lakhs, minimum is 500. Start date, end date, you have to submit over here. I agree. Click on the I agree button. And system will redirect him or her to the net banking page of his registered bank. Now the investors have to log in to his registered bank net banking and have to click on the submit. As soon as you click on the submit button, as soon as the KOTM gets registered, and it is registering within a second, this online system, suppose you can also provide a offline mandate to your local ISC, that is Investor Service Center, to your local, any local KFintech office. That is also not an issue. Though those who are not comfortable with this online process, but for offline it will take some time. But if you go for an online KOTM process, it will just activate within seconds. As soon as the investor completes this login to their net banking and click on the approve button, submit button, the KOTM will activate then and there. So I would like to request all of you to go for this KOTM, this is a eNACH option, that the investor will find another payment option over there. One second. So along with the generation of SOA, doing transaction, doing KYC, doing eNACH or KOTM, as a partner, as a distributor, you have an option to generate different type of report. I think most of you are using our mail-back service. You are generating transaction report, investor master information, brokerage report, AUM report. So all the reports are not available in the mobile app, but we have given few important reports in the mobile app also. If you wish, if you are already logged into your mobile app, you can download it from your mobile app also. Where to? You have to just go to your menu, this menu, click on this menu, and out of this thing, click on this mail-back report. Click on the mail-back report. Both the options will be there, myself and investor. Obviously, click on myself, and you can see AMC. You can see AMC. For example, you select to Axis Mutual Fund, select a report. You see transaction report, net AUM report, client-wise AUM report, brokerage report, investor. All the reports are there. So you can choose any one of the report and request for it over your mobile app. Yes, very good question. If email ID and mobile number is not available, suppose in your investor's folio, email ID and mobile number is not available, then there will be a big challenge. If you have initiated transaction for your investor, then how your investor will get a confirmation over a email ID or without the email ID or mobile number, right? So if you are doing an additional purchase in an existing folio, first you have to add an email ID or mobile number in that folio, then you can do a transaction or redemption or switch in existing folio. But for new purchase, there will be no problem, because for new purchase you are going to generate from scratch. So you have to provide everything, that is email ID, mobile number, everything you have to provide in new purchase. So there will be no problem. So under mailback report, there is a one myself that I have already described, and one investor option is there. What is the investor? Click on the investor option. So here itself, you can trigger all the reports. Suppose a consolidated account statement that suppose investor has investment in multiple AMCs across industries. In KFinTech service AMC as well as CAM service AMC. The investor have an investment in ICICI, HDFC, Nippon, Kotak, Axis, Mirai, and he is requesting you, sir, please provide me the consolidated account statement. So you can trigger the consolidated account statement from your mobile app also. This is the consolidated account statement. Click on this consolidated account statement. You have to click on the investor first. You have to click on the investor. Okay, this is, you can see the consolidated account statement, investor name. You can choose a summary or detail. You can choose summary or detail. Suppose in summary, you will get a as on date. For detail, you can choose a specific period for a current financial period, previous, or a specific period. You have to put investor's email ID or click on the submit button. Self-extension. Oh, you have to put a self-extension password and click on the submit button. Now, this self-extraction password you have to share with your client or investor. These emails will be triggered to your investor registered email ID, not you. Because this consolidated account statement will include investment through regular mode, investment through direct mode, invested through broker A, broker B, broker C. Everything will be included in this consolidated account statement. So this consolidated account statement will not be triggered to any particular distributor. It will be triggered to the investor only. So these are the few options: capital statement, ELSS. I have demonstrated one only. If you can open your mobile app at the login, you can get all the detail over here. One request is there. If you can see my screen, please note down the version available. Version number 5.3.8. This is the mobile app version. Always please try to use the latest version, because we are regularly updating our app. So if you are using the old version, maybe you will miss the facility available in the updated version. Please note it down. 5.3.8 is the latest version, and please try to update your app on a regular basis. Check in Google Play Store and update. If there is an update, please do the update. Okay. Now these are the few things that you can get it from the mobile app. I am requesting all to please use our mobile app. It is very good, very user-friendly app, and I am always there to help you, sir. If you have any problem, you have my email ID, you have my phone number, you can definitely contact me. I will always there to help you, sir. And before ending, let me tell you, this is the mobile app available. If anyone is sitting in the office, no, but latest version is 5.3.8. If you can see my mobile screen, I think somebody is writing that the latest version is 5.3.7. No, Ankurji, latest version is 5.3.8. If you can see me in my mobile screen. How to update the app? Just check your window. Just go to the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. I think everybody can see my screen. Just go to KFinCut for distributor. You can see this. See KFinCut for distributor, and the button appearing here is open. Instead of open, if it is appearing as update, then you need to update it. Click on the update and it will get updated. Okay. One thing I can do, I can share the latest link with Gautam Da, and Gautam Da will share with you all. Okay. Before ending, let me say that suppose you are sitting in your office and you have a computer, desktop, laptop in front of you, and you don't want to use the mobile. You can say that, yeah, mobile screen is very small. I am very comfortable with laptop or desktop. Very fine, sir. You definitely can use our laptop or desktop version also. No, NCT transaction is there in the app, but please don't use it, because the main thing that you can do the NCT transaction from our app, but you have to submit the physical one. Without physical one, backend will not process it. So what is the big deal that you are doing the transaction through online and you are going to submit it physically also? So right now, please don't do any NCT transaction from our app. We are trying to do it online. We have already had a discussion with our technical team. So as soon as we get live, we'll definitely let you know. Okay. Now, instead of mobile app, if you want to log into our distributor portal through laptop, you can very well do it, sir. Just go to our portal, kfintech, mfs.kfintech.com, services, distributor services. Just you can see the login here, sign in, sign up. But this sign is for generation of report. You have to click on this left hand side. Now experience your KFinCut distributor app features on website. Just click on here. Just click on this side and use your same user ID and password that you have generated, that you have logged in for your mobile app. And this is the same thing. See, same the AM, scheme, investor, the transaction summary, authorization expire, same thing is there, same thing. And you can do a transaction, click on the new transaction, you will get a detail. Suppose you will get the detail. For existing investor also you can do transaction. For new investor also you can do transaction. Back is also there. And for suppose I'm Rembi Ramakrishna, selecting Rembi Ramakrishna, selecting. And for this particular investor, I can do new purchase, SIP, additional purchase, suite, SWP, pause, NCD, everything I can do. Okay, so very easy. If you want to use our desktop or laptop, you can very well do it, sir. Not to worry. Lot of message coming in, so the last thing, you can see your earnings also through our mobile app. Just look into the bottom of the mobile screen. There is an earning option available. Click on the earning. Click on the earning option. Select the AMC. Suppose I am selecting this Nippon. So for Nippon, you will get a total brokerage receipt. This total brokerage actually includes last 5 brokerage receipts, and you will get a summary of the last 5 brokerage. That is the from date to date, mode of payment, and the amount. If you can scroll down, you will get the detail of last 5 brokerage and the total amount. AMC wise, definitely AMC wise, you will get it. So that is for all today. We can continue this type of session afterward also, as per Gautam Da. So Gautam Da, it's over to you.
Thank you so much. If any question, please unmute yourself and
Please
answer.
ask any question, and
any question?
you can write to my email ID also. I have already mentioned my email ID in the chat box. You can definitely ask your question over email also, or you can WhatsApp me also. I'm just writing my mobile number.
And
No, not an issue.
I already write in chat box. If anyone want to recording, please give your details. Otherwise, you can't.
Yes, I can see that many of the
Yes.
participants are asking for the recording.
So,
one request. I think all of you have mentioned your email ID, mobile number in the chat, because I'm going to save the chat so that in future I can get the detail from chat. Right, Gautam Da?
exactly. Otherwise, how can?
Right, sir. So
Yes.
if anybody has missed out, anybody hasn't mentioned your ARN, email, mobile, I would like to request you to please mention it, please.
And Obigda, please, now we have two more precious person is there. Number
Right,
one
sir.
is CA Pankaj Kedia and another is
Sir.
Professor Arup Chaudhary.
Right,
So
sir.
they have some announcement for this pandemic situation, how to protect your wallet. The both person is many relevant in this time. So I call CA Pankaj Kedia. Please tell what is the actual pandemic situation, digital fraud, and about that.
Very good evening to all. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very much.
During first wave of Corona, when the lockdown started, we have faced a basic issue, that is of online fraud. Although it's a common term nowadays, but during lockdown, plenty of calls came to the people like Paytm KYC updation and account KYC updation, and they trapped people and siphoned money from their bank account. Cases were there when somebody was a chartered accountant, advocate, they were sleeping in the house, and night 2 p.m. 30 OTPs came to their mobile and more than 2 lakhs rupees been siphoned off. So in very short, I'm saying once this type of case takes place, the two common suggestions we educated people give to them, one is to lodge an FIR and another is lodge a complaint to the bank. A victim follows these two things, but after that, the one question remains, how will get the money back? So I have written a book, how to get money back when you are a victim of banking fraud. So, and doing many seminars online and trying to educated people. Basically, these online frauds, all victims are educated people, because the rural area doesn't use this digital India so much. So it is only the urban people, most educated people, they are being trapped, and lakhs of monies being siphoned off on the daily basis. So this is the truth. And I have tried to convey that our rights are clearly defined. The money safety of the responsibility to keep money safe is on bank and not on customer. Anything happens without your fault, then you will get the money back. So this is the entire thing. We are trying to educate as many as people. It's a part of financial literacy. And I will thank Gautam Da to allow me to speak on this great evening. Thank you.
We have seen the last 6 months back in Durgapur State Bank, where a person had FD which is liquidate and fraud in that case. So nobody can rely it. How it possible from bank FD, how to can fraud it, but it happened. So nothing is secured. Please be clear. So then you need to recover your money, hard-earned money. So how to recover your money? So we need, Pankaj, I ask you, can you take a session can you take a session for that
It's my
practical session, workshop?
It's my privilege, and anytime, and I always try to convince, because whoever are the listener to this topic are most educated people. So instead of giving theoretical, practical examples, like people was traveling on train and the money they received 8 SMS of ATM withdrawal, sleeping at house, morning 5 o'clock when wake up, 38 OTPs, 3 lakh rupees taken by the forester in the night, 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. I can say. So lots of cases are there. Daily basis cases are coming up.
According to your choice, you prescribe it next week or after that, after 10 days, after 15 days, whatever you have time. So please arrange a session for session come session come workshop. Yeah, what will be actually 3 days before at 12:30 night, some from UP, someone of my friends asked me his client already 10 OTP and already 2,35,000 siphoned. How to it? He has given OTP. So anytime, any moment, anytime, any people have to siphon his money. Anyway, so we need to practical workshop how to protect and how to recover. So is it it will be free session or it will be paid session? Please.
No, we will discuss it. We will discuss it from next week onwards. We will discuss it.
Okay. So then any people have any fraud case? Can you help with
I
them?
have written a book, Gautam Da, and the book
Yes.
is on Amazon also, and
Yes.
lots of seminars are going on. Anybody can raise any question, any problems through you, the ICA, and anytime. So any of the neighbor or any of the known person being victim of this kind of fraud, because day to day it will increase, and my estimation is just like Corona, what the spreading is going on. So just same the digital fraud, it will be a largest problem in the country.
Another
Because
corona. This is called another corona for our.
We need to be aware and we need to be educated.
Yes, yes. So thank you so much. Professor Chaudhary is already shown his. So please, Professor Chaudhary already 8:05 p.m. So please, what are your message in this pandemic situation? Current, you are a current guy for the pandemic. What will be happen near session? Market where will be there? Where our portfolio will be there? Please.
Good evening, everybody. I am so sorry I was late. Actually, I had another assignment, and though everyone is telling me not to go out of my house, but I had to go because we had a session with some of the intellectuals. We followed all the social distancing, putting the mask, but I had to go, so I couldn't follow this discussion today. So I feel very sorry. And the last part, what Mr. Pankaj Kedia ji was telling, that's very important. in today's world, the kind of serious frauds which are happening, especially in the internet-based transaction, this is something we have to learn. Now, I have come here for a particular issue because we are actually doing a research on the market, especially the stock market, and especially the companies. Actually, we are a believer that stock market is not like just whims of some people. If you look at the long run, in that case, it has a pattern. We look at that pattern, and maybe some technical people, they actually look for the short term patterns, but whenever you look long term, you will see that a different trend emerges. But we are more into fundamental analysis of the market, and this is the time whenever there is a debacle, ultimately the companies with the good fundamentals, they actually survive. We have seen all the time, even whenever Harshad Mehta scam was there, Ketan Parekh scam was there, then the Y2K crisis, whenever it was the 2000 year, that time the crisis, whenever the market actually dipped, then the subprime crisis in USA, followed by the crisis in Greece, in Europe, then also the market dropped. So all the time, whenever the market has actually fallen, after that, the market is normally led by the companies with good fundamentals, because they can survive and they can survive the long run. So we have made some research on that, and we are doing some programs with the people who are working in banks, financial institutions, then the B schools, which are really good, like IIM Bangalore, IIMT Ghaziabad, Tap Me in Manipal. We are doing a program. It's like that this is the time, what should be your equity strategy, and we'll be taking up some real life cases of some of the companies, which stocks are good and which stocks one should actually pick, and maybe what should be the strategy in the coming days, because right now the second wave is coming, and this time again there will be a topsy-turvy, and after that things will again come to a normal. So we have something, and we are organizing this for this kind of people, and even some foreigners, they have also enrolled, because which I found is very interesting, that even people from Ireland, people from England, those who manage the international funds, they also want to know about the Indian market. So many of these people, they have enrolled. Normally it's a workshop of 3 hours, where we generally come out with a strategy. Especially, I know that in ICA there are people who actually, they have their own income, their own money, their own investment. At the same time, you have a number of clients. So you have to remain safe, you have to make your portfolio grow, as well as you have to guide your clients to do the same, so that they can also survive and they can also grow their portfolio and get a good return during this period. So I am not a person from mutual fund. Maybe you can have your own portfolios there. Therefore, it's on equity. And for this particular program, whenever we go through this B school route or maybe through the professionals route, our charges are rupees 2,999. That is around 3,000. This we charge for a 3-hour workshop, but which is hands-on, a number of exercises we have to do like that. But whenever I am there with Mr. Karmakar, Mr. Gautam, he is such a nice person and he motivates so many people. We decided that if you are interested, we'll give a big discount of 2,000 rupees, and it will be only 999. And amongst this group, I know many of you had done another program with me earlier. I'm finding Mr. Gopal Bonik, and maybe many others are over here. So you know how I take up the cases. Therefore, if you are serious, in that case, this will add much value to your strategy, and we'll be taking up this particular workshop on 1st of May. And those who will be enrolling by the next Wednesday, in that case, it will be 999. We can share, Mr. Gautam Kormakar will be sharing our poster as well as our all the details, so that if you are interested, you can be a part of the program. For more details, you can call him, or you can take my number from him, which is my WhatsApp number, 98300568887. Again, 98300 But I will just request you to send WhatsApp messages or even SMSs, because many a time I remain busy with different sessions, and right now the thing is that we travel less. Practically our travel is minimal, but we take sessions in different time zones, and it is very tiring. Sometimes the classes are there at night. Maybe the class starts at 12 to 2. Maybe it's an American university, Amherst University. And whenever at 2 the class ends, maybe at 4:45 there is another class in Sydney. So sometimes our days are like that, many programs, many interactions. So sometimes I cannot take up the phone calls. Therefore, whenever you have to know something, you send me WhatsApp messages. Thank you very much. Actually, it is Gautam who always inspires me, and he is a person who has a gem of a heart, and he loves his fellow members, and therefore whenever he requests something, we cannot say no. Thank you very much. I would like you to join the program. It will be only for the ICA members who will be doing a separate program with the Indian stocks only. It will be only Indian stocks which are traded in BSE and NSE, and how we should strategize in the coming days whenever we are going through the second spread of the coronavirus. Thank you very much. Thank you, Gautam. You can add.
Thank you so much. I can request you that some people are not in our organization, but they are today who are attending. Please, they also allow them, please.
It's your discretion.
No.
Anyone who will be there with your name, maybe we can say that who is there with Gautam, and in this program they can all join. Of course.
Exactly. Who are ready? Who are any question? Please ask them, because all of the people here, they are working with mutual fund industry basically. Including others, they also have the equity and insurance, others, all financial product. Their portfolio, how to choose? Actually, their client's portfolio, either he cannot understand the equity market, how to choose, how to portfolio choose. So that parity should be there.
That's right. And Gautam, the one particular thing is that if you remember that whenever the gentleman from Bangladesh joined, in USA also, all the mutual fund advisors, they have their own portfolio. They suggest that you can participate in this portfolio, you go on for SIP in equity like that. Therefore, you can be an advisor, at the same time you can have your own portfolio. There is a question which is which I think that it is A. Chaudhary. What are the things to be covered in that workshop? I shall just share a one pager which will give you the coverage. Normally what we do is that we start with the fundamentals, and it is not like that only some ratios and all that. We take up some companies, and ultimately at the end of the workshop we'll actually choose some of the shares which will be for long term, and maybe how they are performing and what are the things which is expected in the market. So it will be like that. But still, I shall come out with a poster and the coverage, which I shall send to Gautam, and Gautam will be circulating to all of you.
And year cutoff date is
You
20,
can,
28th, next Wednesday.
next Wednesday. Okay.
Cutoff date is registration for rupees 999. Cutoff date is 28, and session will be 1st May, Saturday. So who are interested, please call us, either Arup sir or me also, and WhatsApp also. Please share the one pager. So, sir, how to pay? Yes, giving the bank account details. You please pay directly on the bank account.
It will be from an organization which is a trust. Normally, we take up these small programs under this trust. We do not take anything over there. It uses the money for research and other purposes. Therefore, it will be from a trust, and I shall share that. And even you will be getting a certification. One certificate will be provided by IICMR, Indian Institute of Contemporary Management Research. So you'll be getting a certificate also after attending this program.
So please write on the chat box, please. Your details, please write on the chat box. So everybody can see name, bank details. Can you give?
Right now, I suddenly came and just joined. I shall give it to you. The way you have circulated in the WhatsApp, you can send it like that.
Okay. So thank you so much. Any question from any schedule? What will be the schedule?
Schedule will be from 6:30 to 9:30 on 1st of May in the evening. Maybe
Saturday. That is Saturday.
Saturday. Maybe there will be a small break in between, 1.5 hour and 1.5 hour, with a 10 minutes break in between. And there will be some reading that you have to do, and maybe I shall share some books with you, some PDF books with you.
Okay. So any people come, any participant can ask your question. Please unmute and question, and we will close it within 2 minutes. Please, any question from any side, anyone?
I think Gautam, people will ask questions after they get the papers, right?
Yes.
So then we'll answer through WhatsApp or from group.
Thank you so much. অভিজ্ঞতাকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই আজকের প্রোগ্রাম জন্য। পঙ্কজ কেডিয়া আজকে এটা, আর অভিজ্ঞতা এই অরূপ স্যার এবং পঙ্কজ কেডিয়া যে দুজনা লাস্টে, এটা তো আমাদের কথা ছিল না, এটা কেমন লাগলো? মানে অ্যাড অন,
এটা ভালো একটা ইনিশিয়েটিভ, এই সময়টা এই সিনারিতে খুবই দরকার এটা।
মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি হচ্ছে, অরূপ স্যারের যে রিসার্চ আছে সেটা জানলে পরে সে কোনটা, এখন মিউচুয়াল ফান্ড কিনতে গেলেও তো তার পোর্টফোলিওটা দেখবে, তাই না? সেটা বা কোনটা হোল্ড করবে, কি করবে, মার্কেট কোন দিকে যাবে। কারণ তা নাহলে এখন যদি 10% 20% মার্কেট ফল করে, তো অনেকের পোর্টফোলিও কোথায় গিয়ে দাঁড়াবে? তো সেগুলো তো যদি আপডেট না থাকে তাহলে তার মুশকিল আছে, অনেক টাকা যাবে। আর তেমনি পঙ্কজ কেডিয়া তো সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ হচ্ছে যে যার টাকা চলে যাবে কোনো কারণে, সেই টাকাটা কি করে উদ্ধার করবে, সেটা তো একটা হারাধন যেটা বলা হয়, মানে যে ধনটা চলে গেছে সেই ধনটাকে ফিরিয়ে পাওয়া। তো সেক্ষেত্রে কেডিয়া এর আগে বহুবার বহু মানুষকে হেল্প করেছে, তো সেটাতে হেল্প পাবে, কিন্তু প্রফেশনালি এটাকে করতে হয়। তো প্রফেশনালি না করলে টাকা ফেরত পাওয়া যায় না, কারণ এমন ব্যাংক সবসময় চেষ্টা করে যাতে টাকাটা ফেরত না দিতে হয়। তো এই সেশনগুলো আমরা রিপিট করব, সেটা আমাদের টাইম টু টাইম। তো আমি সবাইকে আবার ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আজকের মতো এখানেই প্রোগ্রাম শেষ করছি। নমস্কার। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ এভরিওয়ান।
Thank you.